Hello everyone. Know that in previous session already we have discussed lowest term comparing and ordering fractions. To compare like fractions, what we have to do, we compare the digits in the numerator and the fraction with the greatest numerator is the greatest fraction. For this, I am showing you an example. Suppose we have 5 by 11 and 8 by 11. This we have to compare which fraction is greater. Fine. So you can see what I said, to compare like fraction. This is like fraction. Why? Because denominator is same. So what we do, we compare the digits in the numerator. So first we'll do, then second step, the fraction with the greatest numerator. Which one is greatest? 8. So therefore this will be your greatest fraction. So 5 by 11 is smaller than 8 by 11, or you can say 8 by 11 is the greatest from 5 by 11. Now second thing, what we will do if we have to compare unlike fractions. So here we are going to discuss two methods. First is what? Very first step, you have to convert if the fractions are given in mixed. So what you will do, you will compare, you will convert this as improper fraction. Second step, what you will do, you will represent the fraction as equivalent with common denominator. And the third we'll do, we'll compare the like fractions. So I'm showing you an example. If we have 3 by 7, and if we have to compare 3 by 7 and 7 by 11. This is not a mixed fraction, already this is given in improper, so here no need to convert this in improper, it's already improper fraction. This is your first step is done. Now second step, represent the fraction as equivalent with the denominator. Here you can see denominator is not equal, so what we will do, we will take LCM of denominator. So LCM of 7 and 11, what will come? 77. Then after that what you will do, you will make this equivalent. So how you will make? Now this is LCM is 77. This number, this denominator and numerator, you have to multiply by which number to get denominator as 77. I have that number. What number I have? 11. So 11 into 3, 33, and 11 into 7, 77. Same way you have to convert this 7 by 11 having the denominator 77. Now you know that in 11's table 7 number it comes to have 77. So I will multiply this by 7. 7 sevens are 49 and 11 sevens are 77. Now here I have made the fractions. I have made equivalent fraction with common denominator. Now compare the like fraction. This is your step 3, and like fraction, what it says, where the denominator is same. Which one is greater? This one. So therefore 3 by 7 is smaller than 7 by 11, or else you can say 7 by 11 is greatest from 3 by 7. Second method, what you have to do, cross multiply. Cross multiply the two fraction as shown below. So first what you will do, numerator of the first fraction multiply denominator of the second fraction, and numerator of the second fraction multiply with denominator of the first fraction. Suppose 7 by 5 and 5 by 4 you have to compare. So what the teacher said, numerator of the first fraction multiply denominator of the second fraction. Numerator of the second fraction multiply with the denominator of the first fraction. Now 7 fours are 28, 5 5s are 25. Which one is greater? That means 7 by 5 is greatest from 5 by 4. This is your second. And the next we have comparing unlike fraction with the same numerator. If you have same numerator fraction, then what you will do? The fraction with the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. For an example, if I have a fraction 111 divided by 5, 111 divided by 3. Now question says compare the fraction. What you will do? Here you can see comparing unlike with the same numerator. Here you can see numerator I have 111 and here also I have 111. So what you will do in this case, the fraction with the smallest denominator is the greatest fraction. So which one is the smallest denominator? This one. So 1115, this one is, can you see here? The smallest denominator is this would be the greatest. When you will do this one? Where you have same numerator. Clear? Thank you.